Hello, I'm Joseph Bowden and I'm the Business Development Manager for our wire identification platform at Brady Corporation. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Brady M210 printer. This printer has many functionalities such as terminal block labeling and wire marking, but today we'll be focusing on PIA identification. Okay, so welcome to the M210 Brady label printer. Today we're going to be showing you how to print the PIA identification label. First thing we do is turn the printer on, and if not already done so, if you press the menu button here, then in here you can set the time, the date, the language, etc. So here you can find the different variables to set up the printer how you wish. If we go back, the default mode will be in down the bottom left hand side. You'll see the banner mode. Pressing the button here, label type, it will give you options. So you see here labeling for wire markers, terminal blocks, patch panels, etc. But for PIA, we'll be looking for the flag. You press enter and it will give you some questions which you need to answer. For example, what is the cable length you want to set? And this is currently in millimeters. And then cable diameter. This is important to set the right cable diameter so that the printer knows what length to leave between the information on the label. And then the style. You can see here it's set to A1, A2, but you can also select A1, A1. This means that this information will be the same on both sides of the label, or A1, A2, the information will be different on both sides of the label. And this is the one we're going to be using for the PIA identification. So then once we're happy with the parameters that we've set, we press enter, and this is where then we start inputting the variable data that we would put onto the label. So line 1, usually on line 1 we would enter the route identification. So in here you then enter what you would usually put onto the tags as the variable data. If you press enter, it then moves down to the next line. So line 2 would be cable number. Press enter. Line 3 on the tag usually would be cable section. So in here, start to enter the cable section. Press enter and it goes to line 4. Line 4 will be the last line on this side of the flag. So in here you enter the fibre count. Okay, once we've got all 4 lines, we then scroll back to the top where it says area 1 and scroll across to area 2. Here we input the other 4 lines on the flag. So line 5 would be job number. So we enter job number. Press enter for line 6, which is contractor name. So enter your contractor name here. And line 5 would usually be the CSS or EIN number, which is usually an 8-digit reference number for that engineer. And then finally, line 4, you enter the date. Now, because you've already prefixed the date installed into the printer, you can press the Shift key and add date, and the date will automatically appear on the printer. Then you can scroll back through all the information you've input to make sure there's no spelling mistakes. And once you're happy, you would then click print, which can be found here.